Working on vehicles outdoors can be tricky, especially on uneven surfaces. The top 5 best floor jack for gravel provide stability, strength, and safety, making car lifting hassle-free. Let's explore the most reliable options designed for rough terrain and heavy-duty performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Jack Boss Floor Jack for Gravel. The Jack Boss Floor Jack for Gravel is a reliable heavy-duty option built with a combination of aluminum and steel to provide strength, stability, and long-lasting durability. With an impressive lifting capacity of up to 3 tons, 6,600 pounds, it can easily handle sedans, SUVs, MPVs, travel trailers, and even minibuses. The lifting range from a low profile of 3 and 15/16 inches up to 18 and 5/16 inches makes it versatile enough for vehicles with both low and high ground clearance. Measuring 28.3 inches by 13.7 inches by 7.8 inches, the jack is compact yet powerful, and it comes with a rubber saddle and 2-piece handle for extra convenience and vehicle protection. Its dual piston system allows for quick lifting with minimal effort, making it easier to reach the desired height without wasting time. The large rubber saddle also helps safeguard the vehicle's frame during operation. Constructed from aluminum billet with a welded steel frame, the Jack Boss Jack ensures durability while still being easier to carry than heavier all-steel models. Maneuverability is smooth thanks to steel casters and front swivel casters, and the sturdy handle provides comfort when transporting. Safety is a top priority, and this jack is ANSI/ASME PASE certified, giving users peace of mind during operation. Additionally, it comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty for extra assurance. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this floor jack offers a blend of power, safety, and convenience that makes it one of the most reliable options for working on gravel or uneven surfaces. Number 2. TONDA Floor Jack for Gravel. The TONDA Floor Jack for Gravel is designed for versatility and safety, making it an excellent choice for everyday vehicle maintenance. With a lifting range of 3.35 inches to 14.57 inches, it can handle a wide variety of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs. Its 2.5-ton, 5,000 pounds capacity ensures it can safely lift most family vehicles without strain. The low-profile design makes it particularly useful for cars with lower ground clearance, while the robust steel construction gives it strength and durability to last through repeated use. This floor jack is not only strong, but also easy to maneuver. It is equipped with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters that make rolling it into position on gravel or uneven surfaces simple. The detachable long handle and carrier handles add to its portability, making it convenient to transport between the garage, driveway, or roadside. For long-term durability, TONDA coats the jack with crack-resistant paint, which helps protect against rust and wear over time. Safety is another highlight, as the jack includes built-in overload protection to prevent damage or accidents from excessive weight. The hydraulic sealing system ensures smooth operation and reliability with every lift. Overall, the TONDA Floor Jack balances performance and practicality, offering a reliable solution for both professional mechanics and casual users. Number 3. TONDA Floor Jack for Gravel. This 2-ton TONDA Floor Jack for Gravel is engineered for efficient and safe lifting, making it an excellent choice for smaller vehicles while still capable of supporting SUVs and trucks. Its lifting range extends from 3.35 inches to 13.98 inches, which is ideal for low-profile vehicles and provides sufficient height for various repair and maintenance tasks. Equipped with dual pump pistons, this jack offers a lightning-fast lifting experience, significantly reducing the number of pumps required to reach the desired height. This time-saving feature is particularly useful in emergency roadside situations where speed is essential. To ensure vehicle protection, the jack includes a large rubber saddle that aligns with the side welding seam, preventing potential frame damage or scratches to painted surfaces. This attention to detail shows TONDA's focus on both performance and safety. Maneuvering the jack is hassle-free thanks to the inclusion of 2 360-degree swivel casters, which make positioning it under the vehicle smooth and easy, even on rough or gravel surfaces. Additionally, the side-mounted handle provides a convenient carrying option, making transport simple and practical. The overall construction is solid and dependable, with high-quality materials ensuring the jack withstands long-term use. While its 2-ton capacity is slightly lower than larger models, it still provides ample support for most standard cars and light-duty vehicles. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a compact, efficient, and easy-to-use jack. Number 4. WELLHOME Floor Jack for Gravel. The WELLHOME Floor Jack for Gravel is a compact and lightweight solution for vehicle lifting, designed with a straightforward approach to functionality. With dimensions of 14.17 by 3.94 by 3.94 inches, it is noticeably smaller than many competing models, making it highly portable and convenient to store in limited spaces, such as a garage corner, trunk, or tool shed. Its bright orange color gives it a distinctive appearance, ensuring it stands out among other tools. While the manufacturer keeps the design minimal, the WELLHOME Jack is still built to handle essential lifting tasks. Its compact frame makes it ideal for quick roadside repairs or situations where space and portability are more important than heavy-duty capacity. This jack's design caters to users who prioritize simplicity and ease of use. The construction quality ensures it can withstand the basic demands of lifting on gravel or uneven terrain, though it may not provide the same high capacity or advanced features as larger, more expensive models. Its straightforward design also means it is user-friendly, with fewer moving parts and components that require maintenance. Although it doesn't advertise additional features such as overload protection or dual pistons, it serves its purpose as a reliable and accessible jack for lighter or moderate lifting tasks. Number 5. AV Steel Floor Jack for Gravel. The AV Steel Floor Jack for Gravel is a well-balanced option that combines strength, safety, and versatility in one reliable package. With a lifting capacity of 2.5 tons, 5,500 pounds, it is capable of handling sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, and other common vehicles with ease. The lifting range of 3.4 inches to 14.6 inches offers flexibility for low-profile cars as well as larger vehicles, making it highly versatile for various repair and maintenance needs. Built with durability in mind, the AV Steel Jack is equipped with 2 rotating wheels for smooth mobility and easy positioning, even on gravel or uneven ground. Its single-piston hydraulic pump ensures a quick lift to the desired height, minimizing effort and saving time. Safety is a strong focus, as the jack includes a built-in overload protection system and a large 360-degree saddle that increases stability and protects the vehicle during use. The robust steel construction ensures it can endure repeated heavy-duty use without compromising performance. Beyond vehicle maintenance, this jack's universal fit and strength make it suitable for other lifting applications, making it a versatile addition to any workshop, garage, or job site. It is particularly appealing to home mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and even construction workers who require a dependable jack for multiple purposes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.